In here, babe. No, not damage in here, babe.
No, it knocked some of them down.
Big. So this is just the. It's gonna stand back.
These will be okay. Just the wind knocked some of them down.
Yeah.
It'll be okay.
But over there, babe, no, a lot of damage
Yeah.
to the other
That's
side.
because the wind must have come this direction and bounced off the garage.
Yeah.
This was protected
This one is protected with this.
from the house. That's why.
And
they
then that
didn't
one
get
is empty. Look, babe, it's empty.
it. Yeah,
Huh?
that's what got them.
Yeah, the wind blow here and go to the plants.
Couple leaves. Not,
And then in here, there's a house.
not nearly as bad, baby.
So here is fine.
You have muddy shoes on, Mama?
Yep, we are the same. You got muddy shoes. Me too. Got muddy
They'll be
shoes.
all right. These guys. Oh, these guys. These things go so slow.
Yeah, the hibiscus pink swirl. I know it's so slow, babe. I know that. It's grows slow.
Some leaves. That's about it. The rest of it,
Over here, babe. Oh, they are fine, babe. Oh.
most of them are.
In here on the ground.
Some got knocked over pretty bad. From the
This
wind.
was last night. It's just in here.
Yeah.
They are not
The
damaged. Look at
sturdiest
that.
plants. Look at the sturdiest ones. They nothing.
Sugary.
There's a few good ones.
In here, babe. It's nothing happened in here. Good, you did not put everything over there, or
This
else
one
a
got-
lot of damage.
Damaged here.
But it's not. It's not broken.
It is one branch.
Just branch, but the main stem is very important.
Yeah.
Nothing happened for the main stem.
Some of these are probably weaker than the other ones. Like this one.
It's gonna go strong in sunny days.
The ones with the nice thick stems survive.
This one, nice standing.
Yeah. Those survive the best.
Yeah.
I found a
Where?
worm.
That's hail.
Oh, and this one?
Hail.
Look at this, babe. Look,
Yep. That's hail.
look,
That's
Look.
hail damage. Yep.
look at this, babe. Look,
That's hail.
look, hail damage. Look.
So it must have
Oh
been
yeah, poke hole.
hail and wind. Yeah, that's what hail does. That's the size.
On
of
this
the
one,
hail.
look, babe. Oh, look,
Yeah,
oh,
yeah, it's hail damage.
hail damage.
Yep. Must have been some bigger pieces if hail comes down. Thank
Yeah.
God it didn't kill them all.
Yeah, this
There's
one,
some
babe. Oh,
holes.
look, there's
Yeah,
a hole.
It's all
Look,
hail
oh.
damage. Yeah, because hail hits the big leaves.
Hmm.
Broke.
And also this one, look at that, babe. Look, oh, tomato.
Yeah. Yep. That's hail.
There's a hole.
Small hail. If it was big hail, yeah, look at that. That's hail damage. If it was big hail, it would have shredded all the leaves off and broke all the stems too. Oh, look at this spider. It's a jumping spider. Look at this. No way, it's a different one.
Different.
Where'd he go?
Michael, be careful, Michael.
There, look at that one. That's a jumping spider. I've never seen one like that. Look at that one.
Where's that jumping?
It's color white.
White and
Maybe it's a
brown.
baby. That's why it's light color.
That or he just shedded his skin. They're like
That's
that when they
baby.
shed his skin.
Oh.
Yeah,
Jumping
there.
spider just.
yeah, leave him there. He's looking for bucks. Oh, look at this one. The hail must have got big.
No worm.
Yeah, see, look. Shredded some leaves off. It
Yeah.
was hail too. I was hoping it wasn't too big a hail. Hail and wind, dude. Hail and wind.
Hail and wind.
Yeah, look at your plants here. They survived though.
Yeah.
They must
these
got
are
strong leaves. If the leaves are nice and thick.
The dahlias, babe, yeah, they are strong.
Look at that. If the leaves are nice and thick, the hail will bounce off of them.
Mm.
Unless it's like quarter size.
But there's one here got hurt. Look at this. Got hurt from the hail. See that?
Yeah, I'm just hoping the strawberries didn't get hit too bad.
Oh, we need to check the strawberries. Babe, we need to check it. Huh?
Most of the hail, if it was pea-sized, yeah, it still put holes in it. Pea, look at that.
It's gonna flower soon. It seems like, babe.
Yeah. Looks like the hail got some of them.
Yeah.
Not all.
No.
You could tell it wasn't that hard of a heavy of a hail, because some of them don't even have any damage. Others, like this, yeah, holes.
Oh, what's that jumping spider? What's the jumping spider?
The jumping spider is on the leads.
Yeah, you could see that. Look at that. Put a hole right through that one. Look at that one.
Yeah.
That's hail.
Michael, it's in here.
Don't mess with it.
Don't mess with it, anak.
Don't mess with the plants, okay? Just leave them alone.
Just leave the jumping spider, anak.
Yeah,
It's
they'll
just
come
in
back.
there.
Oh, what's that jumping spider?
It's just in here, anak.
And then I'm going to have to give them a shot of fertilizer and pick them back up.
Oh.
Damn, look at that.
It's hiding now, anak. It's gone.
Yeah, don't mess with the plants. Look at all that. Seems like the peppers got hit the worst by the hail.
Because it's not thick.
Their leaves are bigger or wider and not as thick. Look at, because they got big round leaves. They got it. Where it can miss these. These are bigger targets. I mean, look. Boom. Two pieces. Boom, boom. Look at that. Peppers.
Oh, just don't touch it, huh?
Look at that.
Just
Boom.
watch.
Boom.
Boom.
Look at that. The big ones. The bigger they were, the worse they suffered.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Jumping spider. Go, jump, jump, jump.
Sure doesn't look like bugs eating them. Looks like hail.
No, it's hail, babe. Oh, it's so fresh.
Yeah.
And then everything.
Sure did. Look at that.
Big hole. The strawberries.
Well, at least your plants survived.
Yeah. But this one did not survive. All of these. How many pots? Oh my gosh, that's a lot, babe. Oh my gosh, it's a lot. Did not survive. Look, guys. The main branch nabali. It's broke. Itatapo na ni Daddy yan. Kasi nabali na yung main branch niya. Kawawa naman ang mga tomatoes. This is save ni Daddy yung soil. Tapos, ang mga halaman, nilagay na lang doon. Babe, you're gonna put it in a compost, babe. The tomatoes.
Yeah.
And then save the soil, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Once they start rolling back, I'm gonna have to trim these leaves off. See the problem with this, babe? Look at
This is big,
That's
babe.
hail.
Babe, look. Yeah.
it. Must have got big hail.
Yeah.
Dime size.
Look, this one is big.
Yeah.
Growing. Stand still, babe. Oh.
There, that's how you can tell. Look at the size of the hail.
Ah.
Dime size.
Wow, dime
Put
size.
a perfect
hail.
hole through it. Jeez.
Yeah.
The problem when it does this, babe, is it can get disease real easy. That's the problem.
Hail and wind broke our plants, hurt our plants.
Well, only time will tell.
Big hole.
Look at that one. Jeez. Boy, look at that. All those leaves are going to have to be cut off eventually once they...
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to have to trim leaves off of them. This one. This one.
What's this? Purple zebra? Purple zebra tomato. So it's gonna be a purple, babe? Or it's just name?
Purple tomato. Yeah.
It's gonna be color purple? Ah, wow. So cool. The strawberries! How's the strawberries now? This is our another space of garden. I don't know, Michael, where is it? Babe, it seems like there's no hole from the hill. Ah, there is some.
Yeah, the strawberries.
Yeah, strawberries. There is some. A hole on the leaves. Oh, I see. There is some.
Mom, what's the jumping spider?
I don't know where it's at, Michael.
Jumping. No. Mom, we did. We have some strawberries.
Oh, yes. Strawberries. Strawberries. Got a flowers for fruit.
Yeah, those are fruits.
You snip it, babe. You snip, snip, snip. The broken leaves, babe, you snip it. Cut it.
Some of them probably too many. I'm gonna have to get rid of. There's too many. Jeez, they'll survive.
Yeah.
Some are going to be stunted. Look at that one. Jeez.
Jeez. This one too, babe. Look. Poor plant.
Yeah. A lot of leaves.
Yeah, from the wind and hail.
Yeah, they'll get disease.
This is cool, Mama.
Can I see that, Michael? Can I see?
Wow.
What is this?
That's the one.
If it's the old other one.
What is that? It's a piece of wood and a piece of wood.
What? What do you say?
Piece of wood.
Wood.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's my one.
Really sad looking. Really sad.
Want a cup?
Oh, yeah.
Some of them really sad looking, but anything with a hole in it, disease, possibly disease you can get. It's really bad. Some of them really bad.
Mama,
Yes.
what are you doing? Mama, what is a jumping spider?
It's in here. Look. Just watch it. Don't touch it, alright?
Jumping spider just moving, Mama?
Yes. Oh, say goodbye na, anak.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
I want a camera.